Hello. So I'm trying to make here is how to tie hooks for bass fishing. I have some friends don't know how to tie, so I'm just gonna make this video for lake fishing. I find this way really unique. Bass season, you won't miss it. So what you do is first you wanna use this weight that have holes in the center. First, you put this line through the hole. All right. Now you can use this. Well, you're gonna use this weight that clips on the line. So how far between this weight here to the hook? I would say about, I usually make it about, what is this, 20 inches, 24 inches or so. Then what I do is put this clip weight on, right there. And I usually go around one time. Then I will a little bit. So what I will do is put this again the clip, this weight's going. You put it right here, and then go around one time.
Can you give me that? I didn't mess up that.
And then here's the weight, the line in the middle. Now that clip on, it won't slide down or up. So now you have that. I will tell you what the reason why we needed that. And then you can use number 2, side 2 hook, which is big for bass. Or you can use number 4. I wouldn't go smaller than side 4. I used side 2 for bass lake fishing. Then here is the hook. If you know how to tie the hook, or if you don't, here's how you do it. You see that? Put it in there. Yeah, you hold the line and the hook. Okay, leave you enough. You can adjust the length after you tie the hook if you need to at any time. So leave you enough length. Okay, and now you have the line goes in the hole there, and you go from the top and in. Okay, so it stays like that. See that? Now the bottom right here, you just hold around right there. Just hold it, and you hold the line, and you tie like this. Okay, you hold the line. Okay, you hold the line and the hook. Okay, like that. You see it? That's the way I do it. Alright. And then you just use this end. Just go like that around it. At least 4 times, 5 times. 4 or 5 times, and then put the end line in that.
Mommy,
I don't know what you call it.
I'm gonna just take off this.
And then you pull it.
Inside there, the
Pull
ball.
it slowly. You pull it tight. Pull it. Your fingers holding the line while you're pulling it. Okay, now you see it's not tight. Be careful. Very dangerous. People do this and slip and then get caught on their fingers. So now it's tight. Okay, now it's tight. Once tight, you can see it's tight. Okay, make sure tight is good. And you can cut this off. Just about there. You don't have to very short. Just like that. Now just that's done. If you use worm or earthworm, whatever bait you use, crawdad, cricket, you put it on.
Let me look at what other
So here's it's about the link I do. I make for lake fishing. Now bass, they don't.
What they do?
If you fish offshore, they usually come offshore.
Potato.
And of course, when they see the baits drops in the water, going down to the bottom of the water, they'll follow. Okay. Reason this is when they first start to bite your baits. Okay, they don't feel a weight, so they will start eating. But actually, bass when they bite, they just snap it.
It's not it.
But that's some are pretty
Like,
sneaky. So when they bite, they're gonna take your bait and it will pull it like that. Then you can feel it. It's pulling your line. See the upper weight here? Okay, this just to help you, just a weight so you can throw your line. Okay, so this and then of course you want a small weight on the bottom, so the upper weight doesn't go down to mix with your bait and the hook there. So you'll pull. You feel when it's pulling, that's fish biting, right? And then you just snap it.